Welcome back to Daily Fact Official, the channel that brings you fascinating and awe-inspiring information every day. In today's video, we will delve into the world of medical miracles and explore 7 extraordinary cases that defied all odds. Miracles happen when science and human resilience combine to overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges, giving us hope and inspiration. Our first medical miracle revolves around a young girl named Emma who survived a heart transplant at just 4 years old. The odds were against her, but her strong will and the expertise of her medical team triumphed, giving her a second chance at life. Next, we'll recount the incredible story of John, a man who regained his vision after 16 years of blindness. Through a groundbreaking procedure, doctors restored his sight, allowing him to witness all the beauty of the world once again. Moving on, we'll introduce you to Sarah, a cancer survivor who defied predictions and overcame an aggressive form of the disease. Her determination and the latest advancements in treatment played key roles in her remarkable recovery. Our fourth medical miracle highlights the story of Alex, a paraplegic who regained the ability to walk after a revolutionary stem cell therapy. This groundbreaking procedure opened up new possibilities for individuals with spinal cord injuries. The fifth miracle takes us to a remote village, where a surgical team successfully separated conjoined twins, Lucy and Lily, against all odds. The twins not only survived the complex operation, but they also thrived and lived long, healthy lives. Next, we'll share the story of Mark, who defeated a terminal diagnosis of ALS, also known as Lou Gehrig's disease. Through extensive research and experimental treatments, Mark made a stunning recovery and continues to inspire others facing this devastating condition. Our final medical miracle brings us to a miraculous case of a woman named Rachel, who received a hand transplant, restoring her ability to perform everyday tasks many take for granted. These 7 medical miracles serve as a testament to the incredible achievements of modern medicine and the resilience of the human spirit. It's remarkable to witness the power of science and human determination coming together, defying the odds and transforming lives. Thank you for joining us on this journey through medical miracles. Don't forget to subscribe to Daily Fact Official and hit the bell icon to stay updated with intriguing content like this. Until next time, stay curious and never stop believing in the extraordinary.